This video is part of a series of videos on Symantec OpenStorage, or OST, and how OST allows net backup and backup exec to seamlessly integrate with DXi-Series systems. It provides an overview of OST features supported by DXi 2.2.x software. In this video, I'm going to provide an overview of what OST is and describe the benefits of configuring and using OST. I'll also provide an overview of the available OST features such as OST backups, accent support, optimized duplication, and more. This video is designed to provide an overview of OST. The remaining videos in this series demonstrate how to configure the various OST features on your DXi system and in your net backup or backup exec application. OST allows net backup and backup exec to seamlessly integrate with the DXi-Series system through the OST API and an installed Quantum OST plugin. The OST plugin is installed on all media servers and unlocks OST features. Once installed and configured, net backup or backup exec can manage the backups through a DXi system and take advantage of the system's capabilities, such as data deduplication and replication. The DXi OST format provides its own unique presentation in which a storage server is set up on the DXi system and logical storage units, or LSUs, are configured in it. LSUs are similar to directories in a NAS file system or tape cartridges in a VTL partition. So what are the benefits of configuring and using OST? Net backup and backup exec can leverage DXi replication and can manage multiple copies of a backup image from one centralized location. The awareness of multiple copies makes disaster recovery much easier. Since the backup server catalogs the copies, you're not required to manually recover or fail back the data during a disaster recovery situation. Without OST, net backup and backup exec media servers have to manage all duplicate backup copies. With OST, the DXi system is performing the replication, and the data path does not include net backup and backup exec media servers. This means that only new data blocks are replicated, creating a savings in bandwidth and time. Net backup and backup exec are aware of all backup copies, and those copies follow established retention policies. So let's go over some OST features. A DXi system can be configured for OST backups. The OST presentation is configured on the DXi system. The OST plugin is installed on the media servers, and a backup policy or backup job is configured and managed in net backup or backup exec. Refer to the DXi-Series Configuring OST Backups video for a demonstration on how to configure OST backups. DXi Accent reduces the amount of data transferred between the media server and the DXi by deduplicating data on the media server. When DXi Accent software is enabled, part of the deduplication process is distributed to the media server so that only unique blocks are moved to the DXi system during the backup process. Refer to the DXi-Series Configuring OST Backups video for a demonstration on where you can enable DXi Accent for OST backups. The OST Optimized Duplication feature duplicates data at the backup image level from one DXi system to another. It does this without having to pass data back through the net backup or backup exec media server. Refer to the DXi-Series Configuring OST Optimized Duplication video for a demonstration on how to configure optimized duplication. When configuring OST Optimized Duplication, you can optionally enable Concurrent Optimized Duplication. With Concurrent Optimized Duplication, when data is written to the storage server, it is simultaneously duplicated to the target DXi system. Refer to the DXi-Series Configuring OST Optimized Duplication video for a demonstration on how to configure Concurrent Optimized Duplication. The OST Direct-to-Tape feature allows you to copy backup images from a DXi system to tape cartridges in an attached physical tape library. This is done without needing to send data back through the net backup or backup exec media server. The tape cartridges can then be stored off-site as part of a disaster recovery plan. Note that direct-to-tape is also commonly referred to as path-to-tape. Refer to the DXi-Series Configuring OST Direct-to-Tape video for a demonstration on how to configure the direct-to-tape feature. With the automatic image replication or AIR feature, data on a DXi system's LSU is automatically duplicated to a remote LSU that resides on a DXi system in a different net backup domain. That's the key with OST AIR, automatically duplicating data from one net backup domain to a completely different net backup domain. The data that's sent to the remote net backup domain is automatically imported into the catalog and available to use immediately after import. This feature makes the disaster recovery process much easier for environments with 2NET backup domains. The backup images and timing of the duplication are determined by the storage lifecycle policies configured in NetBackup. Note that OST Air requires NetBackup 7.1 or higher. Backup Exec is not supported. Refer to the DXi-Series Configuring OST Automatic Image Replication video for a demonstration on how to configure OST Air. In this video, I provided an overview of the OST features supported by DXi software. The remaining videos in this series provide demonstrations on how to configure the features.